Welcome to 2328 North Tierra Alta Circle in the gated Boulder Mountain Highlands community. This move-in ready East Mesa home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a functional layout designed for comfortable, low-maintenance living. Inside, the split great room floor plan features vaulted ceilings, tile flooring, brand new carpet, and silhouette window shades, creating a bright and inviting space. The kitchen offers everyday convenience with a breakfast bar, island pantry, and smooth top range with built-in microwave, all flowing seamlessly into the main living area. The owner's suite features vaulted ceilings in a bay window, creating a relaxing retreat at the end of the day. Major updates, including a new roof in 2024, new windows in 2021, and an updated AC unit, provide added peace of mind. Additional highlights include a 2.5-car garage for extra storage or workspace and a soft water loop. Step outside to a covered patio with a ceiling fan overlooking a spacious, low-maintenance backyard complete with an outdoor fireplace, perfect for relaxing or entertaining year-round. Located within a gated community in a desirable East Mesa setting, this home delivers comfort, updates, and easy living in one complete package.